Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and today I'm pleased to show you around this Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace 1.5 TSI R-Line DSG, finished in grey with 1.5 litre petrol engine producing 150 PS, paired with smooth DSG automatic transmission. At the front, the Tiguan Allspace features sharp LED headlights with separate LED daytime running lights and dynamic cornering lights, which help provide excellent visibility in all conditions. The Tiguan sits on impressive 20-inch alloy wheels, and at the rear the design continues with LED rear lights and sporty R-style rear spoiler. The power-operated tailgate reveals a very spacious boot and a flexible seating layout. The split folding rear seats and additional third row allow you to adapt the space depending on whether you need more passenger room or extra luggage capacity. Inside the rear cabin, there is generous space for passengers, while the third row of seats provides additional flexibility when traveling with larger groups. ISOFIX mounting points are also included for child seats. Inside the front cabin, the Tiguan feels modern and well-equipped. Sport comfort seats provide excellent support and are also heated, providing welcome comfort during colder weather. The driver benefits from the Volkswagen digital Cockpit Pro, which presents driving information clearly behind the multifunctional steering wheel with shift paddles, which keeps key controls easily within reach. In this model, you get a 3-zone Climatronic automatic climate control with rear controls, an infotainment system with access to DAB radio and media through the central infotainment display, which also features smartphone connectivity allowing calls, music streaming and compatible apps. The integrated navigation helps guide you clearly on longer journeys, and car menu offers digital cockpit, which displays vehicle information and driving data, as well as vehicle status, allowing monitoring of vehicle systems and alerts. The driver will additionally benefit from the park distance control feedback from the front and rear sensors, assisting you with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Thank you for watching. This has been a presentation of the used Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace 1.5 TSI R-Line DSG. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.